I've seen this institute grooming and growing every single day.
Your bachelor's is basically your foundation, and that's what I've learned here.
And every small detail what we learn from them is very helpful in our professional career.
Teaching in the classroom and teaching in on-patient makes a huge difference also.
So whatever I was expecting, it was something more than that.
And I'm really thankful for being a part of DY.
I am currently working as a consultant physiotherapist at Asha Multi-Speciality Hospital in Navi Mumbai. I have completed my Masters in 2017 and 2019 I have completed in Musculoskeletal Sciences.
I have joined DY Patil in August 2017 for my postgraduate program. So I have just completed in August, and currently I work as a private practitioner in the field of community physiotherapy.
I have done my graduation from DY Patil University, currently doing my post-graduation in neurosciences.
I had joined DY Patil School of Physiotherapy in 2017 for pursuing my Masters in Musculoskeletal Speciality in 2017, which was a memorable experience for me.
Yeah, actually I had done my bachelor's from a different college, and coming into this environment was a big change in my life. So basically the teachers made it so simple for me to adjust that my 2 years went on very smoothly.
So my experience in DY is of 4.5 years, and it is one of the most amazing experience that I ever had. It was not just academically, but as a person I have grown a lot in DY Patil.
We had a number of events organized here, which was really a wonderful experience. From celebrating our traditional day to attending International MedInspire conference, DY Patil gave us unforgettable impressions.
I was part of FIFA Under 17, then I was part of India's largest multidisciplinary conference, MedInspire, and I got a chance of hosting it. And plus I was the co-general secretary of the college. So it was not just academic which was important, but it made me grow as a person. My managing skills and everything increased.
Great exposure to different departments like orthopedic, other surgical departments, and then we could get an idea, overview and experience with the experienced professors and different surgeons.
So as a physiotherapist, your bachelor's is basically your foundation, and that's what I've learned here. Basically we had anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and for everything it was not the staff which was specialized in that particular aspect have taught us.
We have a very beautiful college campus. We have a Legends Cafe where we had beautiful memories, and the stadium. We must say we had various sports events organized. Because of them, we had met different people like Sachin Tendulkar sir, Yuvraj Singh, and so many different people. We had an opportunity to attend the FIFA World Cup, T20 matches which have been organized DY Patil Sports Academy.
In a medical field, especially for theoretical is library, and for practical if we say is a lab or a best clinical exposure through patients in hospitals. So both the things would more than satisfactory for me. So whatever I was expecting, it was something more than that.
I would like to thank my guide, Dr. Twinkle Dabulkar. She was my guide for my 2 years, and my research topic was effect of intraoperative microbreaks with exercise on surgeon's discomfort, which was an ergonomic intervention strategy, and that gave me a wonderful experience to attend different types of surgeries, and this opportunity is not easily available for everyone. Because of ma'am, I could actually see the surgeries, which will be a very good experience in my life.
We had practicals and postings. So even in the postings we have a huge hospital here, and we have a Ayurvedic hospital also. So we had a wide variety of patients to see and observe and learn from. They used to teach us on patient. So teaching in the classroom and teaching in on patient makes a huge difference also.
And even if we go wrong somewhere, so in the process of learning, so they are always there to help us out. So that makes a huge difference when we practice after we complete the course. and every small detail what we learn from them is very helpful in our professional career.
I've seen this institute grooming and growing every single day because of the highly ambitious and committed faculty who have worked hard, and they have struggled a lot to make us what we are today. And because of them, we have learned many things. I really feel proud to be a part of this institution.
Because it does not build me as a professionally strong person, but it made me a better person in my personal life also.
And would like to thank each and every one who was a part of this beautiful journey.
And I'm really thankful for being a part of DAVAC.